Good morning, students. Mrs. Stein here, and I am thrilled to be with you on this first Tuesday in February to talk about a very important and ongoing topic we will discuss this month. As many of you are aware, it is Black African American History Month. And so today I am thrilled to be with you to share a little background about the origins of this time. In 1915, Black African Americans from across the United States gathered in Chicago to observe the 50th anniversary of the Emancipation Proclamation. This was the beginning of what would become Black History Month, thanks to scholar Carter G. Woodson, who was at the first event. Having earned a doctoral degree from Harvard University just a few years before, Woodson was at the observation to inspire other Black intellectuals and to promote Black history. At the end of the Chicago event, Carter G. Woodson joined two other participants, and they created the Association for the Study of Negro Life and History in order to promote the achievements of Black Americans. In 1925, the organization began to focus more on teaching about the history of Black Americans and sharing that history with everyone. In February 1926, Woodson announced the first nationally organized Negro History Week, sharing the month because of two important birthdays already observed in February, those of Abraham Lincoln and Frederick Douglass. Two men important to our history. Eventually, Woodson wanted to move from the current celebrations of individuals and focus on the Black community as a whole and people who helped advance it. Today, the Association for the Study of Negro Life and History still promotes the contributions of Black African Americans, as their contributions are a part of all of our history. They also recognize and plan Black African American Month by setting each year's theme and holding events and providing educational resources for the public, which was Woodson's original goal. This year's theme is the Black Family: Representation, Identity, and Diversity. We'll be talking more about this wonderful topic throughout the month and sharing lots of more information and celebrations of achievements of Black African Americans. I look forward to this time with you, and I wish you a wonderful Tuesday.